Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is December the 17th, 2019, where we trade different and we are your trusted source of news according to the price chart. We're going to talk about this cryptocurrency right here, Tezos, and how this cryptocurrency can boom better against Bitcoin. As you guys can clearly tell from our price chart, this market has been trading opposite of what Bitcoin has been doing of late. Tezos has been moving higher. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been moving lower. We found this article right here. We thought it'd be a good read for each and every one of us. And then, as we always do, we give you our price forecast at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned in for that. You guys appreciate the video. Hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, and join our community on our website at HueFinancial.com. Now, who would create an article that states Tezos could go higher following Bitcoin's next drop? So obviously this author of this article is anticipating Bitcoin to continue to move lower. Not a surprise, but he's expecting this cryptocurrency to move higher. That is a surprise because the price chart is giving us a different picture. As Bitcoin plunged by approximately 50% from its 2019 peak, is different for Tezos. XTZ is the token symbol of Tezos, and it's a proof-of-stake blockchain whose market valuation has grown twofold across the last and current financial quarters. Now, since June 26th of this year, Bitcoin established its year-to-date high of $14,000, while Tezos price against Bitcoin has surged by more than 200%. Look at that price chart right there. You can clearly see from the current price action in Tezos that we are trading near areas of previous highs. Why is Tezos, according to this article, beating blockchain? Very good question. Why is Tezos moving higher while Bitcoin is crashing? Because of FOMO, fear of missing out. I mean, the hype, once people start to realize that a cryptocurrency has legs, more and more and more people will jump onto that particular train and ride it until it crashes back down. That is what this article is trying to insinuate to you and to me. Now, another reason as to why Tezos could be seeing higher prices is because the foundation has partnered with some reputable cryptocurrency firms. Tezos, the foundation, has agreed to tokenize $643 million worth of real estate in the United Kingdom for Overstock T0 security token platform. It has also lured leading cryptocurrency exchanges, including Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, into offering staking services to their hundreds of thousands of customers. So, Tezos is out there creating partnerships, utilizing their protocol, which has induced this market action of higher prices. Okay, clearer to see. Now, when you look at this price chart in Tezos, a lot of indicators is placed on this chart. Only thing you need to realize and see is that the market is moving higher while Bitcoin has been moving lower. Pay attention to this resistance area because back in the month of May, maybe beginning ending half of May 2019, Tezos made its all-time high. And now you can see that we're testing that particular level once again. Now, this is on the Bitfinex website. Our price chart is on Binance. So that's why we're not showing any price history all the way back into May. So let's go ahead and change it over to Bitfinex. Okay. So here it is. This is the one we're going to utilize for Tezos. Now, obviously you can change. You can tell that the market in Tezos has changed. This is why we wanted to come in to show you this video, because this article is trying to tell us that Tezos can continue to see higher prices. while Bitcoin continues to move lower. Well, I'm thinking both is going to move lower. Okay. You can tell right now in the market in tezos that it's down 7%. We had a fantastic move out early in trading today in tezos, but we're closing at the low end of the bar. The question is where will support be? That is what we need to focus on and pinpoint in this currency. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you, we're going to create this ascending line because this is the track in which tezos has been trading. So we're going to utilize this as a playbook. Okay. So at best, you can suspect that the market in tezos to come and try to touch this ascending line because everyone in the market sees the same price charts. We are no different. So the expectation in tezos is for it to continue to see lower prices. We just need to focus on this ascending line to try to see if tezos will have the ability to hold that area for strength. Okay. So what we're going to do, we are going to create a forecast position of tezos continue to see lower prices. Okay. So we're going to expect the market in tezos to possibly try to find some support around $1.50, which would be, if you were to TP the market, it would be 3.5 cents. 3.5% profit in that particular move. But that spread and the volume is so wide right now is that the movement to the downside is going to be a little bit greater in tezos. And that is where we're going to hold our ultimate support area into the market in tezos, right there around $1.40, which will grant us about 10% profit, forecast profit in that market movement to the downside. But clearly, what is going on into the market in tezos today, Bitcoin as well, the overall cryptocurrency space indicates that the movement to the downside is not over. So even though the article is trying to pinpoint and tell us that tezos can continue to see higher prices, the price chart for tezos is not telling us that. So if you guys want to learn anything on our particular platform, is that don't follow articles, don't follow people, follow the price chart. The market never lies. The price chart never lies. So this is what we're going to go with in the market in tezos. We're still seeing some indications of lower prices, and we got TP at, what was it, $1.50 for 3.5% forecast profit. But ultimately, we can see it go a lot lower than that in the long term. So let's let the market play out. We'll come back in, update you on see how the market has actually went for or against our forecast. And then we update you once again. Make sure you always maintain your profitability. And as always, I will see you on the next one.